Are you looking for the best corded oscillating tool review in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best corded oscillating tool review that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, DEWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool. The DEWALT 20V Brushless Oscillating Tool is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. With its 3-speed selector, users can choose the speed setting that is best for their needs. The brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed motors, and the dual-grip variable speed trigger gives users ultimate speed and application control. The universal accessory adapter allows the tool to be used with most oscillating tool accessory brands, and the quick-change accessory system makes it easy to change blades and attachments without wrenches. The bright LED light illuminates dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. At number 2, Porter Cable Oscillating Tool. The DEWALT 20V Brushless Oscillating Tool is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. With its 3-speed selector, users can choose the speed setting that is best for their needs. The brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed motors, and the dual-grip variable speed trigger gives users ultimate speed and application control. The universal accessory adapter allows the tool to be used with most oscillating tool accessory brands, and the quick-change accessory system makes it easy to change blades and attachments without wrenches. The bright LED light illuminates dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. At number 3, Rockwell Multi-Tool. The Hyperlock 12V Max * cordless oscillating multi-tool from Milwaukee is a powerful and versatile tool that can tackle a wide range of projects. With its dual oscillation technology, it can be used for both wood and metal applications, and the variable speed dial allows for precise control over the speed of the tool, from 10,000 to 19,000 oscillations per minute. The powerful 4.2 amp motor provides constant speed and won't stall, even under heavy loads. The tool comes with 9 accessories and a carry bag, so you're ready to tackle any project. The universal fit system accepts blades, sanders, and other accessories from all major brands, and the LED work light ensures that you can see what you're doing, even in dimly lit workstations. At number 4, BOSCH GOP Brushless Multi-Tool. The BOSCH GOP 18V28N StarLock Plus 3D Multi-Tool is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of tasks. The StarLock Plus 3D interface produces the best-in-class grip and greater torque transfer, making it perfect for flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, and grinding. The EC Brushless 18V motor technology offers up to 30% more power and better efficiency than previous generation 18V motors, making it a cordless tool that can keep up with corded tools. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the speed from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, making it perfect for any task. The included accessory box means you have everything you need to get started. At number 5, Oscillating Multi-Tool. The ARM Tools Oscillating Multi-Tool blades are a versatile and essential addition to any toolkit. With a wide range of blade types, cutting sizes, and sanding and scraping capabilities, these blades can tackle any project. The quick-release shank means that changing blades is a breeze, and the icons on the blade identify the best material for the job. The blades are also compatible with a variety of name-brand oscillating tools. With the ARM Tools Oscillating Multi-Tool blades, you'll be ready for anything. At number 6, Fein MultiMaster Tool. The Fein MM350 is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for a variety of home improvement projects. With its StarLock Plus tool mount, you have access to over 100 Fein accessories, making it a versatile tool for any job. The MM350 is also super quiet, with minimal vibration and outstanding noise dampening, making it a comfortable tool to use for any project. Additionally, the Fein 350W motor is overload protected and has a high proportion of copper for higher cutting speed and rapid work progress. Finally, the MM350 is made in Germany, ensuring a high-quality and durable product. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.